How to make money with AI. AI can help you make money in various ways, primarily by improving efficiency and reducing costs. By automating repetitive tasks and providing insights that humans may miss, AI can help businesses increase productivity and profitability. For example, AI-powered chatbots can handle customer service inquiries, freeing up human customer service representatives to focus on more complex issues. AI can also analyze large amounts of data in real time, identifying trends and patterns that humans may not be able to spot. This can help businesses make data-driven decisions and improve their bottom line. Before we begin, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Online Mogul, Money Mentor for more amazing and informative videos. Furthermore, AI can help businesses improve their marketing efforts by analyzing customer behavior and preferences, enabling targeted advertising campaigns. AI can also optimize supply chain management by predicting demand and reducing inventory waste. Additionally, AI can assist in fraud detection and prevention, helping businesses avoid financial losses due to fraudulent activities. There are several ways to make money with AI. Here are a few examples. 5. Develop AI software. If you have programming skills and knowledge of AI, you can develop AI software and sell it to businesses or individuals. This could include anything from chatbots and virtual assistants to image recognition and natural language processing software. Developing AI software can be a lucrative way to make money if you have programming skills and expertise in artificial intelligence. To develop AI software, you will need to have a deep understanding of the underlying algorithms and techniques used in machine learning, deep learning, and other AI applications. To start developing AI software, you will need to choose a programming language and framework that are suited to your project. Python is a popular language for AI development, and there are many frameworks available, such as TensorFlow and PyTorch, which can be used to build AI models. Once you have chosen your language and framework, you can start building your AI software by gathering and preparing your data, selecting an appropriate algorithm, and training your model. You will need to experiment with different techniques and architectures to find the best solution for your particular use case. 4. Offer AI consulting services. If you have expertise in AI, you can offer consulting services to businesses that want to implement AI technology but don't have the in-house expertise to do so. Offering AI consulting services can be a profitable way to make money if you have expertise in artificial intelligence and a good understanding of how businesses can use AI to improve their operations. As an AI consultant, you can help businesses identify areas where AI can be used, design AI solutions, and implement them. To offer AI consulting services, you will need to have a deep understanding of the different AI applications and techniques, including machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. You will also need to have experience working with different industries and use cases to be able to provide tailored solutions to your clients. It's important to note that offering AI consulting services requires strong communication and project management skills, as well as the ability to explain complex concepts to non-technical stakeholders. 3. Sell AI products. You can also create AI-powered products such as smart home devices, wearable technology, and health monitors and sell them to consumers. Selling AI products can be a profitable way to make money if you have expertise in artificial intelligence and the ability to create innovative products that meet the needs of your customers. As an AI product seller, you can develop and sell a wide range of products, such as smart home devices, wearable technology, health monitors, and more. To sell AI products, you will need to have a deep understanding of the different AI applications and techniques, as well as the ability to design and develop products that incorporate AI. You will also need to have knowledge of the market and the needs of your target audience to create products that meet their needs. It's important to note that selling AI products requires a significant investment of time, money, and resources, as well as a good understanding of the market and the needs of your customers. You will need to keep up with the latest advancements in AI technology and continually improve your products to stay competitive in the market. 2. Create AI training data. Artificial intelligence, AI, training data is fundamental in developing machine learning models. The creation of high-quality training data involves selecting and annotating large sets of examples that are diverse and representative of the problem the AI system is designed to solve. The training data can include text, images, videos, and other forms of data that the system is intended to process. The quality and diversity of the data are critical in ensuring that the AI system can generalize and make accurate predictions when presented with new data. Without high-quality training data, AI systems can be prone to biases and errors, which can limit their effectiveness. Properly curated training data is essential in building reliable and robust AI systems that have the potential to revolutionize various industries, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. As AI continues to evolve and shape our world, the importance of high-quality training data will only continue to grow. 1. Participate in AI competitions. Some companies and organizations offer prize money for winning AI competitions. Participating in these competitions can be a way to make money while improving your AI skills. Participating in AI competitions can be a fun and potentially lucrative way to make money if you have expertise in artificial intelligence and a competitive spirit. AI competitions allow individuals or teams to compete against each other by developing the best AI models for a particular use case or problem. There are many AI competitions available, including those hosted by organizations such as Kaggle, AI Crowd, and Data Science Challenge. These competitions offer cash prizes, recognition, and opportunities to network with other professionals in the field. To participate in AI competitions, you will need to have a deep understanding of the different AI applications and techniques, as well as the ability to develop innovative and effective AI models. You may need to experiment with different algorithms and techniques to find the best solution for the competition's problem statement. Overall, the use of AI in business has the potential to streamline processes, reduce costs, and increase revenue, leading to greater profitability and opportunities for growth. Did you learn something new about how to make money online with AI? We hope you did. So, if you're interested in learning more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our weekly videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching.